Alright guys, so it's Puri time. Aunty Chitra is, how many pounds are you making? 5 pounds?
About 5.
About 5 pounds. Video part 2.
Huh?
Video part 2. Remember that video?
I think it's a Puri. She's not nice. See, in the cooler bag there, I have the milk. Open one. Sure. You're doing nothing with yourself then.
So there's flour in here.
Making healthy Puri. 2%. I always use 2%.
I thought you mixed it with water.
Whatever, Chandra. Can you just pour milk for me, please?
So Aunty Chitra has flour and ghee inside, and she mixed that in really well. And now Aunty Chandra is pouring in some milk.
Healthy. Good. Oh, what are you doing? Yeah. You didn't tell me enough. You see, you're gonna blame me for sabotaging your Puri. No.
Now we're gonna make like 20 pounds of Puri.
Put more flour. When in doubt, put more flour.
Oh.
Are you like not paying attention to what you're doing? You didn't tell me when. You were supposed to tell me when. Homework, Mama. You got golf to get to. Thank you. Golf, baby, golf. No. Want me to hold it? Sure. I got you. I need a touch more milk, please. Oh, you need some more of my milk. Sure. That touch? Or little touch more? Little. More?
Wait, so Aunty Chitra, what do you have to say, like, if anybody has to So for anybody at home that has to make, like, the Puri by themselves, like, what are some tips that you have for them?
This batch, I will, once I'm done kneading, get proper. I'm gonna be stuck. I can't. Stop. I'm done. I don't want to talk. Can you be a sous chef and wash it? Yes. Sure. Nothing shouldn't get to the wash out.
So basically what Aunty Chitra was saying was that if she has to make this batch alone, this 5 pounds of Puri,
which I usually do, which
she does do, she'll usually split it in 2, right? And mix it so it's easier to mix.
So you just do this all by yourself? Alright, you just do it by yourself. Gosh, man. Hi. I'm not done.
And you have to knead it until it is all smooth on the outside.
And soft.
So basically you guys want to mix the Puri until it is very, very smooth on the outside and until all of the glutens have formed, or else if you leave it too soft, they're gonna like, what, be too mushy? Yeah.
It hardens up when you fry it.
Yeah.
You don't want hard Puri. Stiff Puri, Chitra? No, you don't want. You know, and stiff Puri, Chit. You need to stop. Okay, Dee. She wants stiff Puri.
Done. God. And for anybody at home that has to do this by themselves, like Aunty Chitra usually does the Puri by herself, she usually splits it up into 2 batches, so this way it's easier on one person to knead.
So you see how smooth it is now, and you see how soft it is?
At least it bounced back
so
at you.
bouncy. That's what you want. Chitra Puri, bounty. Hashtag bounty Puri.
God.
Alright then. Take care. Bye. Chitra, ma'am. Do something productive. This thing out.
So after you get them into really thin logs, after you finish kneading the Puri, what you want to do is cut them up into little balls, and then Aunty Chitra's going to show you how to make one into a round. And you want to use a lot of flour when you're rolling them so this way nothing sticks. And this is basically how you want to leave it. You want to round it just like that, and then somebody can go ahead and start the rolling process.
No joke. No joke.
Water break.
Tea. But
Oh,
why are
tea
you
break.
drinking tea and I can't have tea? You had your whole cup of tea. What do you want me to do?
We're halfway there, guys.
I'm going
A little more
to
to
pack
go.
my puri. You enjoy tea.
So when you guys are making the puri and you're rolling it out, it's best to double them up and make sure there's enough flour in between them so they don't stick, because you're gonna fry them in pairs. And you just lay them down on a tray or a bowl, whatever you have. So this way you can just fry them all one time. So why do you fry these 5 little puris?
Usually when you're putting your sita, you do 5 little ones and you put it with your sita.
The sita is like that plate you make for
The plate that you make before start cooking.
So once these 5 little puris are done, you can go ahead and start frying the rest of your puris, and you can also start, it initiates like the start of the cooking of all the other food, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright guys, the puri is all done. It was a little bit of a process, but we got it